It was insane. I mean, the cast is crazy. I mean, they're so amazing, and I mean, you have Tom Cruise, you have, I mean, amazing comedians, Alec, you have Russell, you have Paul Giamatti, you have Catherine Zeta-Jones, you have, I mean, Julianne. I mean, it was a little bit of everything, you know, and it was just learning from the best and getting to know them and getting to work with them, and they're so amazing, and we really became a family. I mean, we all got along so well.
Yeah, our table read was the most epic table read you have ever seen. I mean, literally, we were in like a horseshoe with the entire cast, and I mean, Tom was dressed up as Stacey Jacks. He had the Arsenal band behind him. You know, everybody's singing into the mic and like acting out. Then when the dance number came up, we would go and dance, and I mean, it was the most epic thing I've ever seen in my life. And then we were like, holy crap, we just acted out our movie.
Yeah, it was like show and tell.
It was literally a show and tell, like play in front of everybody. It was awesome. So we got to kind of discover who these actors were, and everybody's just so brilliant at what they do, and came in doing something so different than what they usually do. You know, so it was really fun to see that. There were two things that were difficult for me. I had to get rid of my country twang when I sing. I had these like flips at the end of the notes that I had to get rid of, and I could not for the life of me hear what they were telling me. Like I'm not twanging, I'm not flipping, and then I figured it out, and so my range got really high and everything. So the singing part was really cool. But the second hardest thing was actually like you had to lip sync to the stuff that you already recorded. And we had one guy in particular, Matt, who just would be like, you were this much off of it, this much off, and we're like, oh my gosh, but that take performance-wise was so good, you know, like, come on. So that was really hard.
Also something that was a lot of fun was not only do we get to sing some of the best songs of all time, but we get to find our own voice. I mean, when I was training for, you know, for the movie and taking vocal lessons with Ron Anderson, who's an amazing vocal coach. I mean, I didn't want to sound like Steve Perry or like Lou Gramm. You know, it was finding Drew Boley's voice and storytelling through these songs. And I mean, that was a very cool challenge. And I mean, Julianne killed it. I mean, she sounds amazing, and I had a lot of fun doing that. It was honestly the best time of my life. It was so much fun. I mean, the whole movie was like a rock concert, and the saddest moment was when we wrapped the film. I mean, it was so much fun from the rock star college, you know, the 6 weeks prior to shooting, to, you know, working with all these amazing actors who are my favorite actors of all time. You know, learning from them. You know, working with Tom, working with Alec, working with Russell.
Working with Mary J.
With Mary J.
Blige. Gosh, I love her so much. We became so close, and I mean, we had such a different. I mean, we're such opposite people. If you could get any more opposite, it would be us. I mean, so anyways, it was just the cast was incredible. I wish I could have worked with Catherine Zeta-Jones more, because I remember the first day she came on set, she wasn't working yet, and she came in this like amazing, sexy white suit, and she walks on, and I'm like in a bra and underwear about to go perform on a pole, and she walks in, and I'm like super starstruck. I think I was more starstruck over her and to talk to her than I was to Tom, because that's like a woman, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
and like I look up to her, and she's just like a movie star, you know? It's awesome.